Diving into the ocean of 3D printing is a process as passionate as it is deep. So much that is easy to be overwhelmed by all the options and the possibilities that there are. The beginnings go beyond the choice of a printer, but today we present the most complete model and one of the best currently on the market today. The Dremel 3D Idea Builder model is the most complete and economical model. Has it as a transparent light and advanced movement control which gives us more precision. Has an advanced calling system. Has an advanced calling system. This allows us to create larger projects, and that calling prevents the object from deforming, thus keeping your creations accurate. Has proprietary software making 3D printing easier. Making 3D printing easier while offering the convenience of Wi-Fi connectivity and mobile interaction. Has maintenance above, it has an advanced calling system. This allows us to work in closed space and with good lighting. It has a removable construction platform and 2-point leveling. So if you don't know what to do, ask for your Brenner printer. Since we have advantages like quick, for example, quick and easy adjustment with semi-automatic 2-point leveling. It is Wi-Fi enabled for remote writing using the new Dremel 3D app. Innovative with active filament control protects against wrong creations. We have excellent security and customer service. Advanced motion control minimize noise. The large clear each door and light do not obstruct viewing of the creation process. So you can always see inside without compromising the creation environment.